Good morning. Today I'm taking you through my Sunday in kind of a chill vlog style video, but I'm really loving these videos where we go outside of the makeup room and I take you through a little bit of my life. So today is Sunday, which is usually my kind of chill rest day, but I also keep it kind of productive as well. But I always start off my Sunday morning sleeping in, and then I take Rue to this kind of foresty trail that she just loves because I can let her off leash and she gets to run around and explore and smell all the good things. And I get to walk and get some steps in. It's about a 40-minute walk, and honestly, it's just like the perfect way to start a Sunday. And I come here whether it's rain or shine. As you can tell, it's just absolutely beautiful. And even though it is cold and rainy out, we are in October, I am still wearing my sunscreen, and that's something I'm really trying to get better at. I used to be that person that would only wear sunscreen kind of in the summer when it was hot outside. I knew I'd be in the sun, but really you should be wearing sunscreen year round every single day because the sun can still damage your skin even through the clouds, even on a cold, rainy day. So today I'm wearing the e.l.f. Suntouchable Invisible Sunscreen. This one is an SPF 35, and I'm so happy to say that e.l.f. is kindly sponsoring this video. I have really been loving this sunscreen recently. It goes on completely clear and it has a really soft kind of velvety texture to it. So it really blurs your skin and just looks really smooth. So I like it alone or underneath makeup as a primer. e.l.f. does carry other sunscreens in their Suntouchable line, so you can kind of pick and choose based off of your preferences and your needs, but they are all at an amazing price point. That was a very successful walko. Now I know I already had a coffee today, but I don't know what has come upon me, but the last couple months I've just been drinking like 2-3 coffees a day. So I'm gonna go get a pumpkin spice latte and a pup cup, and that's it. Come here. Let me see. Oh, thank you. That's very sweet. See, I got an espresso machine at home, but I can't make a pumpkin spice latte yet. I need to work on that.
What's your dog's name?
Her name's Rue.
Rue?
Yeah.
What's the name?
Rue.
Rue.
Rue. Yeah. Patience. Patience.
You've never been told that you're cute.
No one's ever told her. Everyone was just obsessed with Rue. How could you not be? She's the cutest dog in the world. I tell her every day. I am back home, and now I just want to put on a little bit of makeup just to pull myself together and get ready a little bit more. I have a few errands I need to go run today, and I also need to do a poop walk. But because I'm going to be outside even more today and the sun really has been coming in and out of the clouds quite a bit, I'm going to go ahead and reapply my sunscreen, and I'm going to do that with the Suntouchable Whoa Glow Sunscreen, and this one's an SPF 30. So this sunscreen comes in 3 shades, and I'm using the shade Sunlight, and hence the name Whoa Glow. This is going to be your glowy sunscreen. Like I said, they have a sunscreen for everyone. They had that blurring one that I used earlier, and now we have this beautiful glowy one. And I'm going to do half my face at first just to show you what this one looks like. So if you have drier skin or just want like a really pretty glowy primer for underneath your makeup, this is a beautiful sunscreen for that. But just look at that side-by-side difference. This side just looks so glowy and healthy to me, and it's sun protected. Taking what's left on this hand and just gonna rub that right in. That glow is just so pretty. I love this sunscreen on its own. It's definitely gonna be like my fall and winter sunscreen just because I love how it makes my skin look, especially on those days where I don't wanna wear any makeup. I do wanna add just a little bit of coverage to my face, so I'm gonna try out the e.l.f. Halo Glow Skin Tint. This is brand new to me, and this actually has SPF 50 in it, so I'm gonna shake it well, dot some of that on my face, and just buff that out. You know, they call this a skin tint, but this actually has a really nice amount of coverage to it. And I'm using the shade 1, by the way. Since I'm only doing a little bit of makeup today, I'm not really gonna do like concealer, so I'm just gonna bring whatever's on my brush under my eyes here for a little bit of coverage. Now I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blush in the shade Dusty Rosé. Just a dot. I'm gonna add the tiniest bit of blush right there on the outer corner of my eye. Kind of blend that out. I like doing this on a natural makeup day because it just adds a little bit of color to the eye area. You could also do this with your bronzer too. I'm gonna line my lips with a lip liner in the shade Baddest Beige. And then topping off with the Sun Boss Gloss in the shade Pink Me Girl. And this lip product has SPF 25 in it. I want to share another way you can reapply and even layer your sunscreen, and that's with the Suntouchable All-Set-For-Sun Spray Sunscreen. This one is SPF 45 and acts as a setting spray. Bake it really well. I'm going to close my eyes and my lips and spray generously. And then you want to keep your eyes closed for 3 seconds post-application. I'm going to add a little bit of mascara with the e.l.f. Lash and Roll in brown. I love a brown mascara like this for every day just because it looks so soft and subtle. Adding a little bit to my lower lashes too. All right, here is the makeup look for today. Super easy, glowy, just very, very natural looking. And best of all, my skin is protected from the sun thanks to e.l.f. They really do have a sunscreen for everyone, and I hope that this serves as a reminder to wear your sunscreen year round, not just in the summer. I just finished the poop walk. I did not film that because, you know, that wouldn't be fun. But quick moment of appreciation for the makeup in natural light. But I have a few errands to run. I need to go to UPS and La Biblioteca. So I am in a book club with my sister and some of her friends, and so each month we are picking a new book. This month we are reading The Midnight Library. That's why I'm at the library today. But next month I am hosting book club, so that's going to be a little crazy for me. I'm not a big hoster. Not my favorite thing in the world, but that's okay. I'll do it for the book club. But that is going to wrap up my Sunday morning here. It was fun taking you throughout my day. I want to say thank you again to e.l.f. for sponsoring this video. Again, if you want to check out any of the products that I talked about today, they will all be linked down below for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.